Hello everybody and welcome back to a new guitar tutorials. This is my third video but my first video in guitar tutorial. So this song is Etude. It is a relaxing song. You'll be relaxed, or if you want somebody to sleep, they will be relaxed because they worked. So basically this is for relaxing the song. So I'll not teach you it, but the tabs are on the description for this is in another video, so I'll just play it for you. So as you can see, it's just short, but I'm repeating it, so that's how it is. So the tabs are on the description below, and uh, the real tutorial is in another video. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my channel, and goodbye.